Welcome back to Channel 5 News at noon. Your time is 12:24. Early this morning, you see these thunderstorms roll through northeastern Hidalgo County as well as portions of Willacy and Cameron County. All of that has now cleared, and we're dealing with plenty of sunshine out there, heating up the valley. Right now, temperatures range from 90 at the coast to 91 in Wesco, up to 95 and 96 degrees in Edinburg, McAllen, and Rio Grande City. Heating up really fast, folks. We're headed to the upper 90s and even the triple digits in Starr County, and even parts of McAllen could reach 100 today. 102 is expected in Rio, 99 in Edinburg to 98 in Wesco, 97 down that I-6090 corridor from Raymondville into Harlingen to 95 today in Brownsville and 89 on the island. Now keep in mind, more showers and thunderstorms are in the forecast. Here is the setup across Texas. We still have that upper level disturbance making its way east, and behind that, ripples of energy will continue to bring some showers and thunderstorms into the valley. The Storm Prediction Center has the valley under a marginal risk over Starr County and just that slither there of Hidalgo County over in the most western portion near the Starr County line. Everywhere east of that is highlighted in the yellow, indicating that we do have a slight risk for severe thunderstorm development with any storm that passes later on today. Now, Future Track hasn't been exactly showing a whole lot of heavy rain potential for this afternoon. However, it does show little bullseyes here and there, and that indicates that with any passing shower or thunderstorm that does turn severe, there could be that heavy rain, the gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour. Also, lightning and even hail can't be ruled out. So it's something that you're definitely going to have to keep an eye on today as these thunderstorms get going, but we're expecting that in the second half of the afternoon. A lot of that activity could clear out as early as 7 o'clock this evening. That's when this timestamp is for. However, some of those showers could linger in the lower valley through the early evening before clearing out to partly cloudy skies. Then overnight, there is the potential for possibly an isolated thunderstorm to develop. And again, it does have the potential to get strong out there tonight, but I think this is just a very isolated event if it even happens. Then early tomorrow, we'll see maybe a chance for a small shower or thunderstorm, and we'll be back in the general thunderstorm category. So we're taking your rain chances from 30% today down to 20% for tomorrow, back to mainly dry conditions there midweek as this area of high pressure will settle in, really stabilizing the atmosphere with a lot of dry, stable air. Now we are tracking the tropics here on Channel 5 News at noon, and we take a look at the Gulf and the Atlantic. Everything is nice and quiet with no tropical cyclone development expected over the next 2 to 5 days, and that goes the same for the Pacific as well. All is quiet, exactly how we like it. Now looking at the coastal forecast for the valley, I'm talking about near South Padre Island and near Port Mansfield. We're looking at basically the bay building up to a moderate chop. Seas will average 2 to 3 feet. Your next low tide will be at 7:38 tonight. Spotty thunderstorms are in the forecast, so mariners, it's something that you need to continue to watch later on this afternoon. 98 degrees today, but of course your feels like temperatures will reach the triple digits. We're already in that area this afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms that do develop do have that potential to be strong, possibly even severe. Again, that's something that we'll continue to monitor as this activity starts to flare up. 76 will be your overnight low under partly cloudy skies. We can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, and that goes for the first half of the day tomorrow, and then we'll have partly to mostly sunny skies with temperatures in the mid 90s. Going back to 75 tomorrow night, 96 and mainly sunny midweek. But remember that weak cold front will roll through. It's really not going to bring much of a temperature change by day. Notice that from Wednesday as we head into the weekend, we'll be in the mid to upper 90s. But by night, I think that's where you may notice a little bit of a difference. We'll be in the low 70s each morning from Wednesday night going all the way into Saturday night. And that's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.